Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Umema. I am a student of Accounts and Finance. My roll number is 17959. Today I give presentation on Hadith. The first topic which I will talk about is sincere goodwill. Tamim at-Tari reported, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing will be upon him, said, Inna ad-deen as-sayhatu, Inna ad-deen nasihatu. Verily, the religion is sincerity. The second topic is minding our own business. Ali ibn Hussein reported, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, Inna min husni Islam al-mar'i tarkahu ma la yanihum. Verily, from the protection of Islam is that a person leaves what does not concern him. The third topic which I will talk about is love your brother. Anas ibn Malik reported, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, La yu'minu ahadukum hatta yuhibbu la akhihi ma yuhibbu linafsi. None of you has faith until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself. The second topic which I will talk about is good manners. Abu Hussein reported, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, Man kana yu'minu billahi wal yawmil akhiri qalilan khayran aw liyasamtu wa man kana yu'minu billahi wal yawmil akhiri falyakrimu jarahu wa man kana yu'minu billahi wal yawmil akhiri falyakrum saifa. Whoever believes in Allah and last day, let him speak goodness or remain silent. Whoever believes in Allah and the last day, let him honor his neighbor. Whoever believes in Allah and the last day, let him honor his guest. The last topic which I will talk about is desires and Islam. Abdullah bin Amr reported, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, La yu'minu ahadukum hatta yakunu hawa'u taban lima ji'tu lahu. None of you has faith until his desire are subservient to what he